Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential piece of hardware for anyone still relying on their trusty HP ScanJet 2100c or 2200c scanner. We're talking about the DICED AC adapter, a power supply designed specifically for models like the C8480A, C8500A, and C8487A. If you've lost your original adapter, or perhaps it's seen better days, this could be the perfect solution to bring your scanner back to life. One of the first things that stands out about this power supply is its commitment to quality and safety. It's manufactured with high-quality materials, which immediately gives a sense of durability. More importantly, it comes with built-in protection against common electrical issues. We're talking about overcurrent, overvoltage, and short-circuit protection. This is a huge plus, offering peace of mind that your valuable scanner and your home electrical system are safeguarded from potential damage. It's not just about powering your device, it's about doing so safely and reliably. The design of this DICED adapter has also seen a thoughtful upgrade. It boasts a new appearance that is both lighter and smaller than many standard adapters. This compact design, combined with its low power consumption, makes it incredibly practical. Whether you need to move your scanner around your home office or simply want a less obtrusive power brick, its portability is a definite advantage. It's designed to be taken around easily, making it ideal for various setups without adding bulk. Now, a couple of crucial points to remember before making your purchase to ensure a seamless experience. It's always important to pay close attention to whether the voltage of your scanner matches the adapter's output. A mismatch could lead to the adapter being unusable. Additionally, confirming that the adapter port size physically matches your device is absolutely essential. Taking a moment to double-check these details will save you any potential hassle down the line. Despite its new, more streamlined appearance and compact size, the manufacturer guarantees that the quality remains as good as always. This isn't a compromise on performance for the sake of portability, it's an evolution. The package includes one high-quality power adapter, ready to plug in and power up your compatible ScanJet scanner. For those needing a dependable and safe power source for their classic HP ScanJet models, this DICED AC adapter presents itself as a robust and convenient choice, ensuring your scanning tasks can continue without interruption.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.